Hello aspirants, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the pros and cons of taking sociology optional in UPSC examination. First of all, it's a short and manageable syllabus, very high overlap with GS paper. Sociology optional, that is a very good optional subject. First of all, you must know the pros of sociology optional. Is a short and manageable syllabus because comparatively smaller and well defined syllabus. So it is very much useful for you to easier and revise multiple times. The revise is a very much important thing in your UPSC examination. So these are the important focus and evergreen strategy. Make sure to implement them. And also you have to useful and GS paper and essay. Actually, it is very much useful for GS because it will be big overlap with GS1, that is Indian society and social justice, and also it will be giving the GS to welfare schemes and vulnerable section, and also excellent use for the essay paper because of topic like women, caste, inequality, globalization. Everything comes under which will cover the sociology paper for the good for non-technical background because the non IT background students, there is a no academic background is required for the subject because it's only concept, so you have to easily grasp and apply in daily observation. That's enough for you. So you don't need to take a science background, you don't want a science background, you don't want any engineering background. That is a, it is a, everybody will easily readable one, and there's a plenty of example for the daily life, real life examples, current affairs, news articles. Enrich your answer. Definitely it's relatable and also applicable, application based, and decent scoring is potential. That is very much important. Good structure, sociological thinkers, and current affairs example, these give you the high marks. Many toppers with sociology background, that is Adina Dabi, that is AR1, actually scoring subject because you can score easily in this subject, and also there is a conceptual and analytical because of the good knowledge, because it will improve your analytical skills definitely, because you have to read all the case studies, everything, so it will give you the good approach. Every so useful, not for not only for your UPSC but also for the real administration understanding. And availability of resource is also okay. Abandoned notes, books, coaching materials also available in our institute. So toppers answer copies so we'll provide. So these are the important pros about taking the sociology optional. For this, drawback is mainly high competition because it is also very much popular optional. So many candidate intense competition. So you have to, UPSC is a competition world, so you have to compete. So no need to worry about this point, and there is a need to make your answer to stand out. Whatever you taking, you have to stand out in that. That is very much important. He will provide you all the guidelines to stand out from the others, and also will give you the answer writing is a key because average answer fetch the average mark, requires a value addition like thinkers examples, case studies, flow charts. So these are the main important, and add on with some other current concepts, that is give you the more marks. And also there is a concept confusion will be initially because there are some abstract concept like sociological theories, thinkers need the proper understanding. There is a misinterpretation will definitely reduce your mark. That is the main important drawback. And also there is a limited helps in the prelims because it will not comes more for the prelims. So direct utility for prelims are like geography and anthropology. So this is one, this one is not very much useful for you, this one is very much not very much, this will not useful for your preliminary. And risk for the generic answers, if answers become too general and common sense, there's a lack of sociological perspective, that is will give the drop. So need to think a sociologist in writing. So this will be definitely risk for the generic answer in your UPSC optional. So this is a major cons because of high competition. Paper 2 can be dynamic, conceptual confusion will be there. So these are the important cons. So if you come out of these cons, definitely you can choose your sociology optional. If you enjoy analyzing the society, current events, you can add the thinkers and theories to your answer. That's enough for the exclusive answer. So sociology is an excellent optional. So compact syllabus, and also it highly overlap with only GS and essay, not a prelims, but need answer writing practice in a regular manner. So you have to read sociologists think frequently like Emily Durkheim, Karl Marx, Srinivas. So these are the important points, and also you have to add the diagram, flowchart, and structured headings. That is also one of the scoring idea, and also you have to relate the answer to the current social issue. That is a reservation policy, gender issues, urbanizations, humanitarian crisis. So you have to relate overall all this, and also you have to practice answer writing with a limited words but maximum impact. That is definitely will rule you, and also it will be very much easy for you. So sociology optional is also one of the good option. If you convince with the cons, then you can definitely go for the sociology optional. Thank you so much.